Hello guys, welcome to George Digital. I will be teaching you guys on product research and competitors analysis using Facebook. So how do we get started? To get started, you need to go to your browser and search for Facebook Ads Library. So once you search for Facebook Ads Library, you click enter. Once you click enter, you scroll and go to this place. The first one you see, Meta Ad Library. You click on it. So once you click on it, it will open. And once it opens, there are three things you need to pick from. Now, those three things you need to pick from is, one of them is your country. Let's say you are in the United States instead of Nigeria, because I'm in Nigeria. And if you are in the United States, you just click here and search for your country and select your country. So let's say I want to select United States. I'll just click here on Nigeria. Then I'll search for United States. So I'll click United States, for instance. Then the next option I have after the United States, the next option I have is the ad category. It means which category of ads am I looking for. Now there are several options. So what I want to do is I want to choose from all ads category, meaning all options. Then the next thing is to search for your keyword. Keyword means what are the related words you are looking for. So let's search for maybe I say shoe, for instance, and I click on enter. Now what will happen is, once I search for shoe, let's say I'm into shoe, I sell shoe, I search for shoe, what will happen is I will be seeing different shoes from different advertisers, meaning different people that are also into similar things that I'm into. Let's say I'm into shoe business and I want to run an ads on Facebook. So I have to look at what other people are doing, what are they using, how are they using it, and what can I do that will make my own more effective than their own. I hope you understand that, right? Now if you look at this, let's go with the first one, because there are different things you will be seeing here. So let's say I go with the first one. If you look at this first one here, you see this first one here you're seeing. What do you notice? You see ad library ID. This is the ID library. Now if you look at the top, you see this ad is what? Active. I don't know if you notice this. Active. Now it started running from the 1st of December, which was yesterday. So it means this ad started running yesterday, and it was running on which of their platform? Instagram. Let me explain something to you. Facebook are the owner of Instagram, they are the owner of WhatsApp, they are the owner of Messenger, right? Now it means somebody can run ads on only Instagram without running the ads on Facebook. Now if you look at this second person here, the person is running it on Facebook. The platform he's using is Facebook and Instagram. I hope you understand that, right? Now what do you need to do? You can click here and say see ads detail. This place you see, when you click on see ad detail, it will open to you everything about the ads. Now look at what the person write. Begin every journey with Adam's shoe. And look at the Adam shoe. You can even play this video. Now if you look at this, you see shop now. So this shop now you're seeing here, what will you use it for? It means once you click on this shop now, it will be taking you to either their website, their Instagram page, or any place they put their link to. So this is the shoe, the Adam shoe, you see. So this is where you can now buy that shoe and maybe get any of their information you want to get from the shoe. Maybe see more of the brand, get the shoe, buy the shoe, and the resting. Hope you understand that, right? Now let me go back to where I am. So this is all the person had done. He didn't even put more. Now you can also check about the advertiser. And this is the advertiser, Adam Shoe Store, 905 followers. Then on Facebook, then on Instagram, 123 followers. You see, you are seeing every information about some other people's business. Now let's go to the next one. The next one is called Shoe Station, right? Shoe Station. And if you look at the under of the Shoe Station, you see it is showing what? Sponsored. Here under it, sponsored. Sponsored means that this is a paid ad. The person paid for it. Now you can also look at what the person did here by clicking on see summary detail. When you click on see summary detail, you will be getting everything about the ads. Now look at the ad is active. They say 6 ads. Any filter that you applied on the search results are also applied to this group of ads to adjust the filter. Look at this. You notice this is the detail. They are running 6 ads. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what it's saying. Now if you look at this, you can see, if you click on this, this is what you see. On December 7th, senior and military customers will receive 20% off, plus the first 30 customers in store, or sorry, in store, yeah, at shop station will receive a 10%, 10,000, $10 off shoe station reward card. Exclusion apply, or and all these are what you will see. Now you can click on get direction. This get direction, what it means is that they want you to visit their physical location. Hope you understand this, right? They want you to visit their store location, maybe their physical store location. You see, this is the store. You can get their location where it is in the United States. You know, I choose United States, right? Now, what if I don't want to use United States? I will just go back at the top and also change the country. Instead of United States, I'll change it to Nigeria or any place. And these are other ads from other shops. So if you want to change it, you just click here and change it to maybe any country. If you want to change it, maybe medicine or something. Okay, let's say you like medicine. Now you see this medicine, right? I search for. So you see you can, all these are medicine depending on what. Some of them are for health, some of them are for joints, the rest like that. So you can just look at this, look at what the people are doing, what are they searching for, from diagnosis to treatment to second opinions. Michigan's most experienced heart care is at the, maybe you are into heart care and all those things. You can also check this ad by clicking on see summaries. They are running 2 ads, right? How do I know? If you look at this, these 2 ads. So you see, now you can click here to see the video. You see, this is the video, just 13 seconds, not more than that. You see, right? So it means most video you notice, I want to point something to your attention. It means most video you see on Facebook ads are not more than 1 minute. I don't know if you remember the first one we watched for the shoe. How many minutes was it? Was it more than 1 minute? No. This other video too is not more than 1 minute. So you are doing product research for Facebook. So let's say this is where I want to call it a day, and in Facebook ads, taking the words and everything. Let's say this is where I want to call it a day. So once I call it a day, what I'll do is I'll click on this red C here, this Camtasia there. Then I'll click on what?